Hello children, today we will revise our lesson number 3, our trip to Bhutan. Okay, in this we will learn how to solve the puzzles based questions. Okay, so for this the important points I am going to explain, as well as this benefit. If you will understand this, you can solve any kind of puzzle, numerical puzzles in your day-to-day life. Okay, so today our lesson number 3, this is our revision. This is our revision 5, lesson number 3, trip to Bhutan. Okay, so what is the objective of this? How to solve the puzzle based questions. Okay. Numerical puzzles. Puzzle based question we are going to solve. Okay, some examples I will give, how to solve, how to read it, how to understand. Then accordingly, after you will understand and you will solve any kind of puzzles yourself. Okay. Now, question I am giving here. I gave 4 toffees. I gave 4 toffees, each to 4 of my friends. And 3 toffees are left with me. How many toffees did I have? Okay, first of all we will read this question, then understand, then solve. I gave 4 toffees. How many toffees? 4 toffees. I gave 4 toffees, each to 4 of my friends. So 4 toffees, 4 friends. Okay, so 4 friends. 4 toffees distributed, 4 toffees. Okay. So among friends given 4 toffees and 3 toffees are left with me. So each friend got 1 toffee. Each means 1 per friend. One friend got 1 toffee. So 4 friends got 4 toffees. Then left, how much left it is? 3 toffees left with him. 3 toffees left. Okay. Left, how many toffees left? 3. 3 toffees. So it is asking, the question is asking, how many toffees did I have? Means how many toffees he was having. So 4 toffees he has given to friends and remaining 3 toffees. Well, so how we will come to know how many toffees he was having? So if we will add these two, we will get the answer. This 4 plus 3. 4 friends got 4 toffees. Means 4 toffees, here 3 toffees. If we will add these two, 4 plus 3, 7. So he was having total 7 toffees with him. Okay. So at the end, we can write how many toffees did I have? He was having 7 toffees. Okay. Now, another question I will explain. Second, what numbers can you make How many numbers given? 1, 2, 3. These are the three digits given. How many numbers? Okay, we can make. So how we will make it? If we will exchange the digit here, first position to the second position or third position, we can make different numbers. Okay, if we will remove the comma and we will exchange the position of the number, we can make different numbers. Now see here, 3 I have written 3, 5 and this is 7. So this is one number, another number. If I'll change this 3, I'll take this 3 in the second position. See, I have removed in the between commas are removed. So then only we can read as 357. This is become a number. If single numbers are there, that is called digit. Okay. So 357. Now what I will do for the next number? So 3 I will take in the second position and 5 I will bring in the first position. So 5 and 3 I am taking here in the second position and 7 is as it is. So this becomes the another number. This is 537. Now which number I can make? Now 3 I will keep as it is here. But here these two I am going to change. 3 I kept as it is. 5 I am taking in third position. 7 I will take in the second position. 7 and 5. See, so this is 375. Another number how I can make? Now 3 I will keep in the same position. No, if I will take it will not come. Now 5 I will keep here in the same position. 5 I am keeping here. 7 I will take here in the second position and 3 I will take here. So 7 and 3, 573. Now what we can do here? 7 I will take as a first position. 7 I will take front and this 35 I will keep as it is. Now it is read as 735. Now see. Again 7 I will keep here as it is. Now 5 I will take here and 3 I will take in the third position. So it is read as 753. In this way we can make different numbers. Now you understood how to make numbers using the given digits. Okay. Thirdly, a number becomes double. A number becomes double if it is increased by 8. What is the number? A number becomes double. Okay, double means same number if you will add, so it will become double. Yes, if the number becomes double if it is increased by 8. The number has given 8. If increased by 8 means we are making double. Yes, increased by 8. 8 plus 8, 16. Okay, understood? Now it becomes double of 8, 16. So increased by 8 also. So 8 plus 8, 16. Now third. Now fourth one. Think of a number which can be divided by children, note it down whatever I am giving. 2, 3 and 5. And comes between 25 and Okay, think of a number which can be divided by 2, 3 and 5. The number, it should be divided by 2 also, 3 also, 5. Means that number should be in 2 table also, 3 table also, 5 table also. Divisible of 2, 3, 5. Okay, so that number also, it should be comes between 25 and 50. So that number we have to think how it will come between 25 and 50, which is the number. How we will find out the between number? If these two numbers we will add 25 plus 50. 5, 7, 75. We will see 75 is coming, no, in the 2 table it will not come. Okay, between 25 and divide, no, it will not come. So, between 25, there are 26. How many numbers are there? 20, between number 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Sorry, 50 we cannot write till 49. So now see, 26. 26 can divisible by 2 also, 3 also, but it cannot be divisible by 5. So it is cancelled. 27 is the prime number. 27 can divisible by only 3. It cannot be divisible by 2 also, 5 also. This is cancelled. 28 also can divisible by 2 also, only 2. So it is cancelled. 29 is a prime number. This is cancelled. 30. 30 can divisible by 2 also. Okay, 30 can divisible by 2 table, and 3 table also. In 3 table also 30 is there. How 2 in 2 table? We will do it. 30 divided by 2. 2 15s are 30. Now 30 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 zeros are 30 divided by 5. 5, 6, the 30. It means this is your correct answer. Okay, this is your correct answer you got. That is 30. 30 is divisible by all 3. Okay, in 2 table, 2 15s are 30, 3 10s are 30, 5 6 are 30. Now other numbers will not come definitely. 31 is the prime number. 32 also cannot come in 5 table. 33 cannot come in 2 table also, 5 table also. 34 cannot come in 5 table. 35 cannot come in 2 table, also 3 table. 36 cannot come in 5 table. 37 is a prime number. 38 cannot come in 5 table. 39 cannot come in 2 table and 5 table. 40 cannot come in 3 table. 41 is cannot come. 41 is a prime number. 42 cannot come. So other numbers cannot be come in the all 3. Okay. So you understood how to solve this kind of puzzles. Okay. I hope you can solve very easily. Here, another question I will explain at last. So if a goat have 4 legs, how many legs so 25 goats goat have only 4 legs. Okay. So how many legs have 25 goats have? How many legs 25 goats have? How we will find out? What we will do? We will multiply. If we multiply these two numbers, we will get how many legs? 25 goats having how many legs? Okay. So 25 multiplied by 4. So 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So total 100 legs. 25 goats have 100 legs. In this way you can solve different puzzles. Okay. Based on this, I will give some worksheet and previous worksheet also. Based on this, you can solve properly. Thank you, children. कितने मिनट? मुझे इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है.